Today, I and people all over the world are sending solidarity to the 8 individuals who are on hunger strike in British prisons, demanding that the government meets their demands of immediate bail, a right to fair trial, the deproscription of Palestine action, and an end to censorship. These individuals have been held in prison, some for over a year, without trial, and are currently unconvicted of any crime to date. They are on 42 days of hunger striking, a critical point that could lead to irreversible damage to their health and bodies. It is up to the state to intervene and put an end to this by meeting these reasonable demands that pave the way for freedom of all those who choose to use their rights trying to stop a genocide, something the British state has failed to do themselves. Mobilize and escalate to ensure the government cannot ignore their demands, and most importantly, continue to answer their calls to shut Elbit systems down. Free Palestine.